Squats. Squats are a dynamic exercise that work on the quad, hamstring, and glute muscles in the leg. All these muscle groups are crucial for everyday walking activities and exercise, so it is important to work on strengthening them. Benefits of squats include improving lower body strength, improving function, and supporting joint health as a weight-bearing exercise. A quarter squat. Start with feet about shoulder hip width apart. Keep your hands on your hips. Your weight should be shifted back onto your heels as you slowly sit back like sitting in a chair. Perform 15 times. Take a 1-minute break and then perform 15 more for a total of 3 sets. Remember to keep your chest up and your weight shifted back, like you're sitting in a chair.